Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this RAGU paper shredder 6-sheet capacity. Yeah, according to the listing it says cross-cut paper and credit card shredder with paper jam proof system, 2.9 gallons. It's listed on Amazon for around $42. Currently has pretty good reviews, so I thought I'd give it a try here. Yeah, it came really nicely protected in a normal cardboard box and protected with these things here, so there was absolutely no damage. This valuable thing here was nicely protected on the side, so you don't have to be worried that there's something happening. So I'm going to assemble everything and then test everything with paper and this old useless credit card here. Yeah, and what we also get is this full instruction manual. We can see that's the model S0206C. And so as always, I'm going to show you the full manual so you can make a better buy decision, or if you bought used or you just lost the instructions and need that, maybe this can help you. So that's not a lot, just a couple of pages, but it's always important to read everything before you start that. So yeah, so here we have this thing. You can see it has 3 modes: reverse, off and automatic, and you really have to be careful when you look at the side here. You can see this is really sharp, so you better don't mess with this thing here. By the way, it works for 110 to 120 volts, so it's not worldwide, so make sure that you buy the right thing. So this is the US version, so it looks really tough, really stable here. So let's put it on top of the shredder and make it ready to work. By the way, here's the front. Of course, we have this viewing window here, so we can see when it's getting full. Yeah, before I forget, I wanted to show you that we have this safety interlock feature here. So there's a sensor here and we have this opening here, so this really has to match to make sure that it works. So if this doesn't match, it's not working. This is a really nice safety feature. So here you can see it a little bit better from the back. These things have to be aligned, otherwise it won't work. So now it's plugged in and we are ready to use it. I'll put it on automatic mode, so there's nothing to see. It will only do something when I add something here. So yeah, so what I have here is standard US letter size. It's a little bit smaller than A4, but it should also fit for A4. So again, it's folded here and it makes actually 2 papers. And you can see, yeah, when it's done, it stops automatically. Yeah, it looks like we are done here. So let's go a little bit tougher here. What we have here are 3 sheets. You can see that here, hopefully. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to fold that in the middle, makes actually 6 sheets. That's the maximum. So let's see if it's capable to do that. 6 sheets centered. Yeah, I guess you have been able to hear that it had really to work tough, but it didn't stop. It made everything really small. Yeah, we'll check on that later on. Here we have the credit card. Yeah, I guess that's the biggest challenge here. Yeah, so here we are with the credit card, and just make sure that you have it like in a portrait mode or vertical mode, and insert it centered to make sure that it's really cutting nicely. So let's try. Okay, and done as well. So we are definitely good with 6 sheets and the credit card. So I'll turn it off and I'm going to inspect what it did. So let's see how this looks here. Underneath there are some small remainders, some small pieces, but most of it is really gone. That's cool. So let's look inside here and we can see everything is nicely fine shredded. Also the credit card, everything nice and small and nothing visible. So this is how we like that, no large pieces, everything nicely small. So yeah, definitely works for me, looking good. So didn't have any problem, worked right out of the box, looks strong and safe, and yeah, that's definitely the thing we want to use. And so from my side, I can definitely give full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.